showing you this cordless hot glue gun. It's a 20-watt maximum lithium battery and a powered 100-watt gun. So this is a rechargeable hot glue gun kit with a drip-free, fast-heating, insulated copper nozzle with 12 pieces, 0.43-inch glue gun sticks. So you can use it for the arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself guide. As I mentioned, this is the nice hot glue gun. The wireless means you can just put in the battery, a rechargeable battery, and use it. This is the adapter, the charging adapter. So let me just open this one and show you. So this is the battery and that goes along with this, like this, and then just start in and then it will work. So the light is on, so you can just see like it will start up. These are the glue sticks that comes with it, and you can just put in these glue sticks in the back and start heating and start using. So for the charging, I just need to take this out, I think. So battery need to be taken out for charging, and then just put in the button. So this is the whole battery of the 20-watt one, and as you can see, nicely built battery. Here you can just put it for the charging and charge this as well.